What the heck kind of wrapping paper is this? All right, here we go. Angel Knot. Salutations to the nations. What's good, Angel Knots? It's your boy, Young Sinai. So, today we are going to be unboxing the Samsung Z Fold 8. Now, I know we mostly focus on games and retro handhelds and geek stuff, but I think, a phone falls under the category of technology, and that's geek stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I am very excited for this phone. I currently have the Samsung Z Fold 5, okay? And then for my other phone, I use the Motorola Razr Plus, and I like these phones. One thing I don't like about this phone is how narrow it is, okay? That's something I can never get past. On all my iterations that I've had of the Fold, from the Z Fold 2 to the 4 to the 5, like, I cannot get past how narrow this is. And I was trying to tell my editor, Lucky, how narrow this phone is. And she hasn't seen it up in person, up close, in person, up close. That's what I'm trying to say. Can y'all please tell her in the comments how narrow this phone is? I've already seen this phone because I went to Best Buy and I had to take a look. Now listen, I had to wait like 15 minutes for a dude to get done looking at the phone. And then I finally got to, and it was another dude who had to wait for me to get done. So it was like a line. And he also came to see the Ultra. And unfortunately, he wasn't able to get to see the Ultra working because the battery was dead on the phone. And the lady at Best Buy, she said that apparently the Z Fold 8 Ultra pulls so much power that they're not able to charge it along with the security mechanism that's attached to it for people to keep from stealing it. So they have to recharge the phone throughout the day. So I was like, man, that would suck to drive all the way here, just for the phone to be dead. I'm like, no, y'all better put them mug on a fast charger. You feel me? But yeah. So you film, or me get to the unboxing, just go ahead and fast forward. You feel me? But this is my video and this is my story. Okay, so I went to go see the Spider-Man movie with my wife. Man, I've been waiting for this phone to come all day. The first time I ever got a Z Fold, I was waiting on FedEx to bring it. And this time I was waiting for UPS to bring it. Man, this mug came, it took forever. And by the time that mug finally came, me and my wife had to leave to go see Spider-Man. So I was like, I gotta wait even longer, but it's all good. But all right, let's go ahead and get to it because I am excited. So the first person I saw review this was Flossie Carter. Shout outs to White Shoes. If you know, you know. Yo, one thing I love about Samsung is they be using this weird wrapping paper, right? Like, this one comes from the freaking Amazon forest. What the heck? I remember this is what my Z Fold came in when I first got it. My original Z Fold. What was original for me? It was the Fold 2 was the first one I had. What the heck kind of wrapping paper is this? All right, here we go. Man, this thing is small. Okay. Here it is. Whoop, there it is. You know I had to get the graphite. Man. Oh, snap. I'm folding it and I got to take something off. I'm finna play around and crack the screen. Woo. That's a beauty. That is a beauty. Let me turn down this ring light. I don't know how well y'all can see that. All right. How the heck do I turn this thing on? Oh, it's turning on. Hey, man, I done started this mug in safe mode. This isn't how I expected this to go. Let's see. Cancel. Power off. This is not how I expected the first time I open this and turn this on to go. Okay. I hit too many volume up, volume downs. Okay, here we go. Dang, what the heck? It's like it's my first time ever having a phone or something. There we go. I think. We'll see. All right. There we go. I thought I broke the phone for a second. Okay, cool. So, see that front cover. Nice. That look nice. That look nice. All right, let's see it next to the Z Fold 5. Now I will be getting a case for this. I will be getting a case for this because I am so bad with phones. So I like the size. This thing is super duper light. Crazy light. So I will be playing around with this and I will get back to you all with my thoughts. I think I'm going to love this phone. Low key, I want the trifold. Supposedly they're supposed to be coming out with the trifold 2 next year. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll just stick with this. You know what I'm saying? Because I really appreciate this wider display. And if that trifold 2 has that narrow display, I don't know if I want to go back to that. You know what I'm saying? But all right. Well, appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. God bless and salutations to the nations. Peace. Also, almost forgot. I finally have merch. So if you want to go support your boy, please go check out angelknot.com and go ahead and grab something. Peace, God bless, and salutations to the nations. Love y'all. Angel Knot.